Love is friendship on fire. Hello mga Mars, welcome back again sa aking garden. And for today's video, we are going to feature a Lampranthus or a pig face. These plants are type of succulents, ground covered with fleshy leaves. The brilliant daisy-like flowers open in direct sunlight during the spring and summer months. The plant is known for its hardiness, sun-loving nature, and low water requirements once established. The image displays the vibrant flowers of a red or magenta ice plant. Is likely species of Mesembryanthemum or the ice plant.